fire. I'm a coconut.
How is he still alive?
I told you I'm a coconut. I'm a hard end.
Whatever. Just off. That tastes good.
Tastes like coconut.
You're retarded. You eat some more.
Coconut milk.
Take some of that.
Well, I'm gonna go drink some beer. Hold on.
No, come back, Chef Cat, now.
I'm gonna drink some beer.
No, get in the car. Get in the car. Fine, we're leaving without you. We're going to Texas, and we're going to be gone for about... Should we put Woody in the car? Okay. Gotta get the little crap. And Woody is 100% dead forever. Never coming back. Never, ever, ever.
Where's Koopa? Where's Koopa?
Koopa, get over there, you little retard. Gotta get in the car. Chef Cat, why did you want to go and drink beer? Go! Car, go!
Should I put autopilot?
No, it's already on.
I think that's a. I think that's a gas tank. Hold on, I'm gonna go pee in it.
No, stop it. Chef Cat, lock him in the back.
No, I'm too lazy to get in.
Now!
Not to say he's distracted.
Now!
He's gonna go.
Nope. Chef Cat, get him, retarded. You're not going to Texas. Fine, you're not going to Texas. Autopilot, stop. I need my gun.
I peed in the tank.
No. You're dumb. Where's my gun? Got it. It's a little gun, but it does a lot of damage. Boom!
What'd you do that for?
Because you little retard, that was a water tank. Peed in it. I don't want to drink your pee. Where's Chef Cat?
Remember you kicked him out, so. Remember he went to go drink beer. I mean, he wouldn't get me out of the water tank.
Go get him.
Yeah, I've been hiding here the whole time.
Chef Cat, you're all dirty. You need to wash off on that kid's pants. Hopefully he didn't pee.
Hi.
I like this steering wheel. It's so comfy. Chef Cat, should I honk it?
No.
Chef Cat, should I honk it again?
No.
Again?
Yes.
Again? I don't know what that means, but so fun.
I hope you know Coop has been peeing in that air thing for the past 3 hours.
Koopa! The air smells like pee! Whatever. Screw it.
We're out.
Yep. We're to Texas. Get Koopa and lock him up in the room.